I'm Guadalupe, founder of MSHOps.net, and I am proud to introduce Pearl OS, a governed surface for AI that moves fast, but never blind. In the next few minutes, you'll see exactly how operators keep speed without losing control.
Cybersecurity firms, managed service providers, and professional services teams face the same pressure. Adopt AI now without weakening control. Standalone copilots do not coordinate. Automations fail silently. Sensitive actions bypass review. Leaders cannot see which agent acted, what evidence it used, or what changed. That creates tool sprawl, inconsistent delivery, and operational risk. The real choice should not be slow work or unsafe automation. Teams need speed with structure, and proof that the structure held under pressure. MSHOps.net provides one governed layer across the tools a team already uses. We map each business mission, assign specialized agents to bounded roles, and define what every role can see, decide, execute, and escalate. Identity and scope control access. Risk rules determine the path. Approval gates reserve consequential decisions for the operator. A unified cockpit records tasks, handoffs, denials, exceptions, and outcomes in real time. This is not another chatbot or a one-off automation. Each deployment includes the workflow, security controls, telemetry, operator procedure, and a reusable module designed to run again. The same operating model supports security triage, client reporting, service intake, opportunity qualification, and follow-up. Agents handle repeatable work. Operators retain authority. We call that governed autonomy, useful AI that remains inside the mission, the policy, and the operator's intent. Here is how a deployment works. First, we select one workflow with measurable value and map its systems, data, risks, and human decision points. Second, we assign bounded agents for intake, analysis, execution, quality control, and governance. Third, we connect those roles through an automation spine and deploy the runtime at the edge, where policy can be checked on every request at each decision point. Before action, the platform verifies identity, scope, risk, and required approval. Low-risk work continues. Higher-risk work pauses and routes to the operator with the evidence needed to decide. Every step creates structured telemetry. What happened, why it happened, which rule applied, and whether a human intervened. After completion, the system reviews the mission and improves routing, prompts, and reusable patterns. It never expands its own authority. Cybersecurity firms, managed service providers, and professional services teams face the same pressure. Adopt AI now without weakening control. Standalone copilots do not coordinate. Automations fail silently. Sensitive actions bypass review. Leaders cannot see which agent acted, what evidence it used, or what changed. That creates tool sprawl, inconsistent delivery, and operational risk. The real choice should not be slow work or unsafe automation. Teams need speed with structure, and proof that the structure held under pressure.
Pearl OS delivers trusted autonomy, AI that works, reports, escalates, and stays accountable to the operator. That's the standard we're building. I'm Guadalupe, ready to deploy?